Everyone, I'm Debbie Richflow, and I'm so excited. You know, the last 30 days has been the most productive for me. I've been on a 30 days challenge. It's been rigorous, but I've been able to learn a lot. I've been able to learn 10 high income skills from Sam Harvard himself, my billionaire mentor, and I'm so excited about the future. Let me share with you some of those high income skills. I've been able to learn copywriting. I can sell ice to an Eskimo. I've been able to learn how to generate traffic on demand to any product of my choice. Let me give you an example. Recently, like a day or 2 days ago, I was able to run adverts to my plantain chips business. And all through yesterday, morning till night, I was taking orders, as in I couldn't even do any other thing. I was just with my phone taking orders because I've learned how to run adverts, how to direct traffic on demand to any product. I've learned how to build my own website, how to do sales funnels, how to do podcasting, how to rank on YouTube, how to optimize your website to be able to make it load faster, to optimize it for SEO. I've been able to learn so much in the last 30 days, and I'm so excited. And the only platform that gave me direct access to Sam Harvard was LAP. I joined Lenoflix affiliate program, and I had direct access to Sam Harvard, and I've been able to learn 10 high income skills. The same thing can happen for you. It's not too late for you. You can come on board on LAP and learn 10 high income skills to equip you and empower you for the future. Thank you, Sam Harvard. I'm so excited. Have a wonderful day. Bye.